and someone, when you open the window, then it will happen to with a different sound, like a glass broken or kind of something like that. So it's special, really fun on the April Fool days, something like that. That's pretty cool. And I have like 10 different sounds and make the code different them. So every time you got a new experience or something different from each other's. So that's my project for that one. And as the program, I just use the switcher to connect to the board and make the program like that. When the window is closed, there's no sound, and when you open it, then one kind of sound is broken like that. Other sounds like a phone, just make a phone like the phone is ringing, but when you find your phone, you see that there's no calling or something else like that. So it's just tricky for the phone. Yeah, I add another one. Okay, now it's the piano one, like for relaxing or something like that. Okay. Oh, this is my special, like raining days when you sometimes the windows is not so clear or you have a curtain on it, then you will find out that raining outside very heavily. Maybe you go out with an umbrella, but you find the sunshine is really good. That's really pretty fun.